So 2026 CFMOTO 1000MT-X. Wow, now that's a big one. So we got 830mm seat height, so me at 1.81 meters tall. I'm tippy-toeing on this bike. I mean, I still can have one foot on the ground, but the other one is already in the air. This height can also be adjusted a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely now a full ADV bike. So it's the dry weight, it's 200 kilos, so with a 22.5 liter fuel tank you get at 230 kilos ready to ride. So now that is a big ass bike for sure, and we will be doing a test ride with it. So I guess we're going. Got a key, a nice welcoming animation down. So the bike starts at, I think it's what, 10,000, almost 11,000 euros. So it's a fully functional 8-inch TFT display. Nice. We're powered by a parallel twin 950cc, outputting 113 horsepower at 8,500 rpm and I think 150 newton meters of torque. So that is a beast for sure. So the display is also touch. We have 4 power modes: standard, terrain, off-road, all-terrain. Oops. You wanna go last? Traction control, ABS. It also has a corner ABS. A lot of tech on this bike. Wow, it is heavy for sure. I got spoiled from those smaller bikes. What the fuck? Yes, it's a monster. A lot of torque. But it's funny, when I start to ride it, I have to put the gas on. It doesn't just pull. That's interesting set. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't like to move. It's really low. You have to really pull the gas, the throttle, so it starts. Well, I have to readjust my thinking. Oh, I'm in neutral. Okay. Oh, it angles. Nice! And it's so easy to stand on it as well. I love this. Okay. Boah. It doesn't care. It's like at 1,000 RPM and I'm pulling. It's such a monster. It growls. It's like, okay. This is a tank. This is a monster. Yes. Interesting. So you also get, as I said, cornering ABS. This damper is also standard. A lot of protection all over the bike is also standard. So I think it has a ventilator protection and engine cover. That's nice. It also has heated grips and heated seat, but in this semi-hot summer day I will ignore it. And yes, of course, cruise control is present. Those protectors are also standard. The mirrors are quite well sized. And yeah, we got in front fully adjustable inverse forks by KYB, and in the back the monoshock is also fully adjustable, so compression, rebound, and what is it? Is it load? I don't know. Anyways, with 22.5 liter fuel tank, you can easily do 500 kilometers on it, so it is for sure adventure bike. It has a quick shifter up and down as well. Nice. Of course, traction control is there, ABS from Bosch. Oh yes, and braking is provided by Brembo. So in front we got, I think, dual 320mm discs with 4 piston calipers, and in the back a single 260mm disc with a single floating caliper. So braking, I mean, it has Bosch, right? That should be enough said. But yeah, I have to get used to that power delivery throttle, because if I don't pull it quite significant, if I would pull it like I have to pull here to start moving on a SR, I would be on the rear tire. Oh my god. Oof. Woo! Monster! Crazy. Yes. This is just a bear. It doesn't try at all. It. Oh, those 1000 is such an overkill, mate. Such an overkill. It also is, because it has a relatively tall center of gravity, it's also very flickable, though, you know, it still weighs a lot. So, but you can do some stuff. You can angle it. That's nice. And it has Pirelli Scorpio tires, which they help a lot, probably. Standing on this it's so comfortable. I have a huge surface for my pegs provided. And yes, this bike is not even like, it's not even on, you know. It's not trying. It's so neutral to stand like that. What a view. You also have a protection there, and the front beak. Oh, it's crazy, man. I'm basically a scooter at this point. There's also USB on the side. I think it's USB A and C. So yeah, I mean, the sitting position, surely, I mean, standing position is great, but sitting position is also amazing. I mean, I'm on a sofa basically. I'm not even riding a parrot, I'm just on the sofa watching TV. And it's a big circular TV VR. I also have some settings here. You can comfortably, you cannot really choose right now. No, I cannot do anything. I guess that's fair. Let's see how it pulls. Whoa! No problem for this bike. But yes, there's so much heat generating from this engine, and I can feel it from the side. It's really hot. it's just, you can also adjust this height of the screen. Oh my god, the torque, man, it's crazy. Let's also try the braking. The blinkers automatically go on. Oh my god, it just pulls. Ah, crazy. Crazy! Yeah, I mean, wow. Let's also try the cruise control. And I turn it on. Nice bikes. So I set it now to 55 kilometers per hour. Sadly, I have to let go of it. If I press a brake, it will automatically stop. And then I should just press it back on again. Huh? I have to. What do I have to do? It doesn't wanna. I have to go, I guess, a little bit faster. I think 50 is the lowest speed I have to travel at. Yeah. Oh, it's a huge ass bike, and now I can already connect the phone and stuff like that. I have also, similarly, probably I can check the maps. So it's a full experience, very nice. We have live pressure in the bar, in the tires, and temperature, and the map that's now right now not there. You know, so much heat coming from the side. I can feel it. It is a monster. Oh yes, crazy power. Now I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure though this is all electrical. It's a ride-by-wire probably. I'm not sure though. I will say it's very forgiving. The limiter is nice. It doesn't just hit, you don't just hit the limiter, it actually has a soft land. That's nice. If I let go of the power though, you can see how it shakes a little bit, but that can be set to a little bit harder. But yeah, it is just a damn bear. Damn bear. But it's crazy. It's very nice. Ooh. Very nice for the winter rides. It hits you so nicely on the legs. So and even it has handle grips. They are heated. So you should do pretty well in the winter. I'm not joking, it is actually a great bike for that. The summer, however, well, I'm cooking and it's not even straight hot. The angles, wow. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Very nice experience. I mean, it is heavy still, but not lousy slow. No, if I put it in a way too high gear, it should be very violent. Yes, it's a parallel twin, so but it's not so bad. If I brake? Yes, okay. Doesn't like it. Let's see. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Okay. It's just a bear, and when you're riding you have no idea what you're riding, but then you want to do something, you know, crazy. No, that's, I mean, with this bike you have no problem, you can travel, but it is noticeably heavy. And it's fun to listen it growl. Hello. I should also try to find the different driving mode. So yeah, definitely is a ride-by-wire. If it has driver's modes, and we have some more data. Fuel consumption 6 liters. That's nice. Yeah, the brakes are working. Anyways, we can angle it very nice. I will say, when I change gears with the quick shifter, the motorbike shakes a little bit. It's nothing serious, but it is there. Oh my god! Woo! Crazy. Yeah, and with a wheelbase distance longer than 1.5 meters, it's pretty stable also at higher speeds, so it is definitely the adventure bike. It is heavy though. Thank you for watching, guys. That will be all. See you next time. Toodoo!